Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somethit. Today I'm going to cook steamed silken tofu with mushroom. It's suitable for those who are on vegetarian diet. It is simple to cook and it can be enjoyed by the whole family. For the ingredients I have 1 block of 330 grams of silken tofu, 1 packet of 125 grams of brown shimaji mushroom, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried shallots, 1 tablespoon of onion oil, 1 tablespoon of vegetarian mushroom sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/2 tablespoon of light soy sauce, some chopped parsley for garnishing, 1 teaspoon of tapioca flour, and 1/2 cup of water. All ingredients are ready. We are going to start off with mixing the flour solution. This flour solution will thicken the gravy later. Put 1 tablespoon of water in the tapioca flour. Mix well until the flour is dissolved. Set aside. Next, put the block of tofu in the steaming plate. It is best to use plate that can be used to serve the dish too. Let's go and steam it. I have prepared a steaming pot with hot boiling water here. Please be careful when placing the tofu in as the steam is really hot. Cover the lid and let it steam for 5 minutes. While waiting for the tofu, we are going to cook the mushroom. Heat the pan, pour in all the onion oil. Give the mushroom a quick wash while waiting for the oil to heat up. When the oil is hot, add in the washed mushroom. Give it a stir. Next, add in all the seasonings, light soy sauce, pepper, sesame oil, and all mushroom sauce. Give it a stir until the mushroom and seasoning are well combined. Add in 3 tablespoons of water. Cover the lid and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, the tofu is cooked and ready. Open the steaming pot lid. We are going to remove some water from the steaming plate here. Once the water is removed, we are going to put it back in the steaming pot. This is to keep the silken tofu warm while waiting for the mushroom to cook. After 2 minutes, the mushrooms are cooked. Wow, it looks so yummy. Give it a stir. The mushroom have a lot of gravy. Next, pour in the flour mix to thicken the gravy. Give it a quick stir so that the gravy will be thickened evenly. Switch off the heat. Add in chopped parsley and give it a stir. The mushroom sauce is now ready for the steamed silken tofu. We are going to pour all the mushroom sauce over the steamed tofu. So beautiful. Now we can garnish it with chopped parsley and the crispy fried shallots. The steamed silken tofu with mushroom is best served immediately once it's cooked. So I'm going to dish out and serve. Let's eat. Delicious. The tofu is soft and melts in the mouth, contrasting perfectly with the chewy mushroom. The gravy with the tofu is tasty and flavorful, with the fragrance of the mushrooms and crispy fried shallots. This goes so well with white rice. If you enjoyed this silken tofu mushroom recipe, please share it. Please subscribe for more home cooked recipe like this. Thank you and bye-bye.